I was a very lucky lady today, and I received a lovely package from Nikki over at Polkadoodles for my design teamwork that I do for her. I thought I'd share that with you. So she sent me these really cute little girl, and this is Special Times, this set's called. And see, they're quite a nice size, and they're all clear stamps. How cute is this little bird? And then I got the Time to Bloom set. And it's really nice. I like the sketchy, kind of very loose way these have been designed. You could do so many fun things with them. And then the Doodle Dragonfly, which is up here, Dragonfly. And again, they're all a really nice size. It's going to be really cute on cards and tags and journals. And then I received this, which is their fairy doors, I believe they're called, and you get enough to do 2, but I'm sure you could stretch that and do loads with this stuff. You've got the 2 boards, then the 2 doors, and then you get all these extra little embellishments. They pop out really easily. And then she sent me 3 sets of the Stamping Unicorn papers. I have a feeling this top set's going to be my favourite already. There's 6x6 and there's 24 in each pack. So you get 3 of each design. Love all the colours that are going on in this page. Wow, so lots of fun things that I can imagine doing with that set. And this one is Itsy Ditsy. And it's the same thing, 6x6, and you get 3 of each design. And they're quite a nice weight card. I'm loving this colour. I think they'd be really nice to mix and match with the other papers actually. That would look really nice together. Or even the more colourful ones. Super cute. And then the last one is called Bits and Pieces, and looking at the front, I think this looks like it's a pack, but it is just lots of different bits and pieces. I think you're getting letters and you're getting text, and so this one's all numbers, and you've got 18th and 16th and 70th birthday. And here you've got different things like on your special, so you can change that up, and you've got anniversary here and congratulations, happy birthday. This one's fun. This is Scrabble board tiles, and here you've got words. So you've got all Mal themed words. You've got dad, father, son, granddad, grandfather, pops. And on here you've got female versions. You've got mum, mother, daughter, grandma, auntie, and then you've just got some tags. All lovely little colours and nice patterns. So I'm going to enjoy making some projects with these. Loving the idea of using them all together, and I really think these ones here will be so fun to colour. Okay, thank you, and I shall see you all soon.